Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue XSS or cross-site scripting vulnerability. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then let's head over to Linux VM to start. We can log in. Sorry, I should turn off proxy in advance. So now let me visit bWAPP again. So next we need to choose the bug or the module, what we are going to do in this video. So would be this one, reflects cross-site scripting. And we can hint our master really loves Marvel movies. So how about Marvel? Let's search. Sorry, we don't have that movie. So how about the A? We don't have the movie. So B, C. So what's wrong? And so like Ma. Sorry, we don't have that movie. Possibly, this search is exact matching, not a fuzzy query. Anyhow, we can try to, test XSS. So we can put script, the JavaScript. This is a very classic payload for XSS attack. So alert. Okay, and we can search. Unfortunately, we got this error back. So we don't have that movie. And curly brace, square bracket, and then another curly brace, and then JSON response. So this is telling us this application is some sort of a JSON, right? Actually, if you open up the source code, and scroll down, yes, indeed, there is JSON related script code involved. So the string movies, and then this is the pass, the string, and then get the elements response. So I think we can do the JSON-based injection. So how to do? I think we can. So this is the hard-coded. Okay, we can use the double quote to close this, and then use this curly brace, and then square bracket, okay, and then this one, and then we can put our own JavaScript code. Let me go back. What I mean, we can, yes, I have already explained this. First double quote is to close this one, okay, and then the curly brace will close this left curly brace, and then this one, okay, and then another curly brace and a single quote, and then semicolon, and we can put our own JavaScript code here. And next, we need to, ignore everything after that, so we can use this script. So let me search. Our own JavaScript payload has been executed. Actually, we can, for example, we can got the cookie. Yes. Also, we can transfer this cookie to our own machine. To do that, we can set up a web server with Python 3. And then I think we can let me copy. And then we can copy this part and to replace this. And then we can copy entire payload. Okay, search. Indeed, our attacking machine successfully retrieved or received cookie of victim. Sweet. And I don't think it's easy for us to bypass or to perform XSS against both medium and high skill level. Why? Because if you can go to bWAPP. So if the skill level is medium or high, the application will use this function, and this function will use HTML special character escape function. Just we have already seen in the previous video, it's not easy for us to bypass this function, okay, or this sort of filter. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.